Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make an adorable autumn Halloween inspired necklace? I already started kind of connecting my little beads together to my linked chain. And this was inspired by one of the Softlex company designers, Joyce. She had a necklace similar, but then I had these little components, and I thought it'd be really cool to kind of do it in a candy corn inspired tiara cast pumpkin charms, just for like a little sweet treat necklace. And this is super lightweight, so you can wear it over a sweater, and you're just ready for all things harvest and autumn. We'll just need a few beads, and I'm using crystals, and these are from a bead shop in Placerville, California, Artistic Beads and Studio. I am using some 12 millimeter little components. These beautiful beads that were part of one of the Softflix company design kits last year, and then I got them in the candy corn colors, tiara cast pumpkins, and some eye pins. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave links to the products I am using, as well as all other necklace inspiration. Let's start creating. So we're going to use our eye pins. You can also make your own eye pins or wrapped loops using Softlex craft wire. And I'm going to be alternating the colored crystals with the little beads here that are ceramic. So I'm using a yellow bead. I'm going to put on an orange. So it gives you the whole candy corn vibe without actually being candy corn. Comment down below if you love candy corn or there's better Halloween candy out there. So we're just going to slide those on loops, and I will be using my one-step looper, through a looper, and just give it a gentle squeeze. And this will give us a perfect loop. And we are just going to do it for the remainder of our little components. Once we have all our little links made, we're just going to take our round nose pliers and make sure that our loops are completely closed and secure. We wouldn't want our necklace to break. And once we have all the little links closed, we're just going to add in our little circles and some jump rings. I'm using 6 millimeter jump rings. And you also have the design option to make your own out of the Softlex craft wire. So we're just going to need our pliers. We're just going to open our jump rings. So when we open jump rings, we just want to gently twist side to side. We're going to attach one of our little candy charms and one of our larger circles and give it a close. And then we're just going to alternate when we connect them. So I have an orange. I'm just going to add on a yellow and give it a close. We're just going to keep doing this until we connect all of our little components together. This is a great evening project if you want to make a really cute and festive necklace. So we have the ones connected we just made. Now we're just going to attach it to the rest of our little necklace. So I'm ending on an orange. I'm just going to connect this one to the yellow. And the ceramic beads do have a little bit of a weight to them. So by doing this style of necklace, it kind of spaces everything out so it's not so heavy. Now we're just going to add the last loop to this orange candy here and give it a close. Our little necklace. Now we're just going to attach our clasp and our little pumpkins. Going to attach our clasp. I am using a lobster claw. Just going to rotate our necklace. We're going to open up our jump ring and attach our lobster claw. Now, usually I'll attach it to another jump ring, but because this is technically an oversized jump ring, we can just add on one side of our clasp without needing to add on that second little jump ring. So that's how it would connect. Now we're just going to add on our little pumpkins. What I love about these tiara cast pumpkins is they are two-sided. So with the necklace, they may move, and that's okay because you'll see the pumpkin on both sides. And this just also adds a little bit more weight to the necklace. So we're just going to attach all three of our pumpkins. I think this little pumpkin charm is one of my favorite for the Halloween collection that Tiara Cast has made. So we're going to attach our last one, our adorable autumn sweet treat necklace using ceramic beads, some glass crystals, Tiara Cast pumpkins. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for the products I have used in this video, as well as all other autumn or Halloween tutorials and necklaces. Have an awesome day.